Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a look at the best engine oil for high-mileage vehicles. Mobil 1 Extended Performance High-Mileage Full Synthetic Motor Oil 5W-20. If your vehicle has over 75,000 miles and you're looking for the absolute best in protection, performance, and longevity, this is the product you want to know about. Let's start with what makes this motor oil stand out from the rest. This isn't just another synthetic oil. It's engineered with Mobil 1's proprietary Triple Action Plus formula. What does that mean for your engine? It means outstanding performance, superior engine protection, and exceptional cleanliness, all while giving your engine the power it needs to keep going strong. For those of us with older vehicles, this is a huge advantage. Mobil 1 Extended Performance High Mileage is specially designed to go the distance. We're talking up to 20,000 miles between oil changes, which is remarkable. That's convenience and cost savings wrapped into one sleek bottle. And it's not just longevity, it also meets the ILSAC GF6 standards, offering protection against low-speed pre-ignition and timing chain wear. It's also formulated to help improve fuel economy, which is an ongoing concern for most drivers. This oil protects your engine in intense heat up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit and doesn't falter in cold climates either. It performs down to -40 degrees Fahrenheit. Whether you're in the blazing summer or freezing winter, this oil has your back. Now let's talk about what's inside the bottle. This listing gives you a 6-pack of 1-quart bottles, making it easy to store and use over multiple oil changes if needed. The configuration we're looking at is the 5W-20 viscosity grade, which is commonly used in a wide range of vehicles. Just make sure it matches your manufacturer's recommendation. The high mileage tag isn't just marketing fluff. The formulation is actually tuned for engines that have been through a lot. Over time, engines start developing sludge and deposits that can affect performance. This oil works to prevent that. It helps extend engine life by keeping everything clean and lubricated properly. It's like giving your old engine a new lease on life. One thing to note: this product is currently not available for shipping to some international locations, including India, so be sure to check availability in your area or look for local suppliers if you're not in the US. In terms of packaging, you're getting 192 fluid ounces in total, neatly arranged in 6 bottles. It's designed for ease of use and storage, and the bottles are clearly labeled, minimizing the risk of any confusion when topping off or doing a full oil change. To wrap it up, if your vehicle has over 75,000 miles and you want a synthetic motor oil that's proven, trusted, and engineered to deliver extended performance, Mobil 1's Extended Performance High Mileage 5W-20 is a top-tier option. It protects under extreme conditions, keeps your engine clean, and lets you drive longer between changes. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If this sounds like the right oil for your ride, check the link in the description for more details or to compare similar options. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another deep dive into the world's best products. See you in the next one.